Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this tutorial we will learn how to update Furuno ECDIS 3300 FMD. So to update you have to go in chart, and after that select license, and down below come to import license. As you can see here, click on import license and one pop-up will come. Select USB, select the week number and select the permit. And to update Furuno ECDIS you have to select the second one, E71 feature. Click on that, open this, select the permit, and after that open. Now processing is taking. So your permit has been installed. To update ENC you have to select auto import, select OK, and then again select USB, select week number, click on ENC, press OK, press OK. So your 28 charts has been updated. Confirm. Now you have to install AIU also. Same procedure you have to follow as we did for ENC. Go into auto import, select OK, again select week number, click on AIU, and then select again OK. So your AIU has been installed. So this is the procedure how to update Furuno FMD 3300 ECDIS. If you find helpful this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the section.